This quick guide explains how to buy shares of Tecan Group AG, ticker TECN.ZU on CBOE EU. Tecan makes laboratory automation and liquid handling instruments, and this is an educational guide, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a licensed broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID, and add funds before you can place orders. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker TECN.ZU to find Tecan Group AG. Double-check the exchange and company name to ensure you select the correct listing. Open the asset page to review basic company information and the price chart for context. Confirm the listing shows Tecan Group AG and the TECN.ZU ticker before proceeding. Tap Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, then review the order type and details before confirming. If the market is closed, the order may queue until it opens. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After execution, your Tecan position will appear in your portfolio where you can track it. Soft CTA. Find the eToro link in the description to follow the same steps shown.